Hi, Grade 7 Unit 9 Environment. There is a reading part here. Which environmental problem do you think is the most important? Air pollution, water pollution, or global warming? Which one is the most important for you? Possible answers here: air pollution, water pollution, deforestation, and there are lots of problems. Let's listen and repeat the vocabulary. I advise you put your vocabulary list on your desk. If you don't know any kind of words, please check on the list. Yes, listen and repeat.
Listen and repeat.
Threaten, pollute, global warming, increase, temperature, responsible, climate change, greenhouse effect, protect.
Okay, let's read the text and then answer our questions. This is our word. The world is changing and the environment is changing. Humans give a lot of harm to the environment and those problems affect soil, water, and air. Environmental problems also threaten human health. Okay, who gives harm to the environment? Of course, humans. It means people. People give a lot of harm to the environment. And what kind of effect, what kind of results of these harmful behaviors? Yes, these problems affect soil, water, and air. And what happens as a result of these problems? People are unhealthy. People get illnesses because of the environmental problems. Pollution is a very serious environmental problem. Industries, factories, car exhaust, gases, and toxins pollute the environment. Global warming is another serious problem. There is an increase in the temperature of the oceans and the Earth's surface. This problem causes the melting of polar ice caps and the rise in the sea levels. Okay, pollution is a very serious, important problem. And what causes pollution? Industries, factories, car exhaust, gases, toxins pollute the environment. And what is global warming? It means the earth gets warmer, hotter and hotter. Global warming is another serious problem, it says, and there is an artış in the temperature of the oceans and Earth's surface. Yüzey. This problem causes the melting of polar ice caps and the rise in the sea levels. So, global warming problem causes melting of polar ice caps. Polar, kutup. Kutuptaki buzları erimesine sebep olur ve rise yükseliş, artış in the sea levels ve deniz seviyesinde yükselişe sebep olur. Humans are responsible for global warming. Who are responsible? Of course, again, people, humans are responsible for global warming. Humans emit greenhouse gases, and then these gases stay in the atmosphere and warm the climate. This is called greenhouse effect. Evet, burada greenhouse efektin ne olduğunu açıklıyor. Okuduklarımızdan ne anlıyoruz? Tekrar göz atalım. Humans emit greenhouse gases, and then these gases stay in the atmosphere and warm the climate. Okay, all these gases make hot the earth, and this is called greenhouse effect. Aynen bir sera etkisi gibi. Seraları düşünün. Yaz döneminde seranın içine girdiğinizde nasıl hissedersiniz? Seranın içinin çok çok daha sıcak olduğunu hissedersiniz. Bunun sebebi nedir? Seranın üzerindeki o kaplayan tabaka içerideki ısının dışarı çıkmasını engeller. Aynı şekilde dünyanın etrafını saran gaz da dünyanın soğumasını engelliyor. Yani güneş dünyayı ısıtıyor. Isınan dünya tekrar etrafına bu ısıyı saldığı zaman gaz bulutlarından bu ısı dışarı çıkamıyor ve dünya sıcak bir halde kalıyor. O yüzden bu ısınmaya, bu küresel ısınmaya greenhouse effect adı veriliyor. Yani sera etkisi tam Türkçesi. It is very dangerous. Global warming also causes climate change. Okay, and what happens? What happens? The world gets hotter and hotter, so climate change. Okay, let's go on. Deforestation and ozone layer depletion are other serious environmental problems. Deforestation, ormansızlaşma. Ozone layer depletion, ozone layer, ozon tabakası, depletion, düşüş, azalma gibi bir anlam var. Other serious environmental problems. Trees are very important for our health because they produce oxygen. Humans cut trees and destroy forests, and this causes deforestation. Again, people cut down trees, and this causes deforestation. The ozone layer protects us from harmful rays of the sun. Ray, ışın. So, what does the ozone layer do? The ozone layer protects us from harmful rays of the sun. Toxic gases cause the hole in the ozone layer, and think that this is ozone layer, and toxic gases makes hole in the ozone layer, so the harmful rays of the sun threatens our health. We should become aware of these problems and do something to protect our environment. Think of ways to help protect our environment. What should we do for our environment? What pollutes the environment? Of course, people pollute the environment, but how? Let's find in the text. Industries, factories, car exhaust gases, and toxins pollute the environment, and people pollute the environment. What are the effects of global warming? Effect, etki. What are the effects of global warming? Let's again check the text. Effect. Global warming causes the melting of polar caps and the rise in the sea levels. Melting of polar ice caps and rise in sea levels. What is the human's role in global warming? Of course, people have a big role in global warming. They emit greenhouse gases, and then these gases stay in the atmosphere and warm the climate. What is deforestation? It tells us here, deforestation. Human cuts trees and destroy forests, and this causes deforestation. Why is the ozone layer important for us? The ozone layer protects us from the harmful rays of the sun. Please take your notes, check your vocabulary, and read the text again, read the questions again, and read the answers again. Thank you. And here vocabulary part, it is easy. You are going to match the words with the pictures. First one is factory. Which one is the factory? Of course, that one. Factory. Ozone layer. This is ozone layer around the earth. Deforestation. Deforestation. We cut down trees and this causes deforestation. Polar ice caps. Polar ice caps. These are polar ice caps. Pollution. This is pollution. Soil and coal exhaust. It is easy. Complete sentences, use the words in the box. Threaten, tehdit etmek, pollute, kirletmek, greenhouse effect, sera etkisi, global warming, küresel ısınma, increase, artma, temperature, ısı, sıcaklık, responsible, sorumlu, climate change, iklim değişikliği. Industries and factories, blah blah, the air. Here we need a verb. So industries and factories pollute the air. There is a or an, blah blah, in car use. We need here a noun. So there is an increase in car use. Pollution, blah blah, human health seriously. We need a verb. Threatens, pollution threatens human health. Kirlilik insan sağlığını ciddi şekilde tehdit eder. The normal body temperature is 37 degrees. 5. Blah blah is a change in weather condition. So, climate change is a change in weather condition. Blah blah is an increase in the temperature of the oceans and Earth's surface. So, global warming is an increase in the temperature of the oceans and the Earth's surface. Humans are responsible for environmental problems. When greenhouse gases stay in the atmosphere, they warm the climate. This is called greenhouse effect. That's all for now.